Welcome to Sharma Engg and Fabrication Works. Offer tractor components and fabrication services. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, incepted in 1979, at Faridabad, our total quality management system and ultra-modernized infrastructure make us different from others. Variegated payments options, expedite delivery schedules, and complete customer satisfaction are some of the key factors behind our success. Tractor, water tank and material handling trolleys are some of our products and services. Tractor components and fabricated tanks offered by us are widely acclaimed in the market. Our earth-moving machinery components and metal brackets are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. We also provide tractor skids and CNC plasma cutting job works that are acknowledged for their functionality. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing job work services and commercial tanks for industrial purposes. We are offering a top-notch quality range of earth-moving machinery components and material handling trolleys for construction works. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.sharmaengg.com.